This video shows you what you need to do for part C of experiment 3. We start with an object bench, and then we get our object screen here and put it on the object bench. It's probably a good idea to rotate the object screen around like this so that we can get it as close as possible to this edge. Slide it in there. Next we get a lens from the trial case. Anything between 5 and 10 diopters will do. I'm using 8 diopters here, doesn't really matter, and put it about 2 focal lengths from the object, and then move the image screen around until you get a nice sharp image of the crosshairs on the image screen. Now we know this distance here, we can measure it, that's L prime. We know the power of this lens here, capital F, and so we can work out the distance from here to the object, L. The next thing we do is we put this holder in place and put on top of it our Perspex block. Just move it up a bit. Okay, now the lens is looking at the crosshairs through the Perspex block, and you'll notice that the image is a bit blurry, so we can move the screen again until we get a nice sharp image of the crosshairs there. We measure this distance here, L prime, and together with the power of this lens here, we can work out how far away from the lens the crosshair now appears to be.